Hi everyone, welcome back. For today's mani, we're going to be dipping into some Krival dip powders, and these colors here are part of a new spring collection called It Is Blooming Spring. The first one here is REDBUDS. It's a beautiful light lavender color and it has a hint of pink. And then we're going to be using Crocus, which is a really pretty medium, almost like violet color. It is stunning and is definitely a staple color for your collection. And then we have Azalea Blossom, which is a beautiful shimmery glitter. It is a mixture of light pink and it has these really pretty micro glitters in there. We're going to be using dip liquids for the mani today, and we're going to be creating a set of press-ons. And I'm completely obsessed with the Krival dip liquids and this clear brush. I love the liquids. If you've been watching my videos, you know that I use these liquids a lot and I just love them. The price is right and the dry time is right. It's more of a faster dry time, but you can still clean up that cuticle line and then dust off the nail and you're not going to have any problems. And I love these liquids, and you know that I love that clear bristle in my dip liquids, and there's just something about it. I think the liquids apply better, and it's just a personal preference for me. In the end, you're really not going to notice it unless you tried a lot of dip liquids, but I love the clear transparent brush. So when I'm applying the dip liquids, I start in the middle of the nail first, and then I go ahead and work my way up to the cuticle line and down to the free edge, especially when I'm making press-ons, because I do not want to flood this press-on, because what's going to happen if you do flood one of your press-ons, that dip liquid is going to go underneath that nail, and then you're not going to have a nice smooth transition when you are applying that press-on. Also, the dip base from Krival Nails is amazing for applying your press-ons. That's how I apply my press-ons. So after I'm done with this mani, what I will do is I will adhere the press-ons and I will put a little bit of that dip base on the back of the nail, and then I'll go ahead and place that directly onto my natural nail, and then I just hold that nail down for about 10 to 15 seconds, and then you have the perfect press-on nail. And that Krival dip base works wonders, and I can get a mani to last for about a week and a half with that method. If you want a shorter wear when it comes to your press-ons, you can do a tiny layer of peel base just in the middle of the nail. You only want to focus on the middle of the nail, and you want like a toothpick line of that peel base, and then go ahead, let that dry completely, then go ahead and place that dip base on the back of your press-on, and then hold that down to your natural nail for 10 to 15 seconds. And that is going to give you more a temporary wear. That's going to give you about 3 to 4 days. If you like to change up your manis as much as I do, that's a good way to do it. Otherwise, you can use these in little adhesive tabs, which will give you like a day wear or like an evening night out kind of wear type of thing. And I will link those little stickers down below as well. Also, I'm so excited. Did you guys see that Krival Nail is now offering these really cool press-on stands? How awesome is that? So Krival Nail is kind of like your one-stop shop for everything, and I'm totally here for it, and I love it because I love making press-ons so much. Not only because I really like dipping into beautiful powders and really seeing that color and that transformation from, you know, dipping on that dip base to the activation. I love like the whole dipping process, and it's very kind of therapeutic for me, and that's why I really like watching other people do their nails and make press-ons, because I really like it. It's just so relaxing to me. So that is one of the reasons why I made my channel, because I enjoyed watching other people do their nails and make press-ons, so I wanted to share that experience with you all. But anyways, I'm so excited about Krival Nails now having these little press-on stands in the shop. They are so fun. I definitely recommend making a set of press-ons. If you are using dip liquids, you can just use your regular size when it comes to making your press-ons. But I do notice sometimes when I'm using gel, for some reason the press-on shrinks a little bit, so you might need to size up on certain nails. It's going to really be trial and error when you are working with gels, but once you know what size you need, then going forward you're going to be golden. But how pretty is that ombre? All these two colors together are stunning. Crocus is like the perfect, I don't know, perfect purple. It has like a slight blue undertone to it, but it's stunning, and it's not like that rich deep purple. It's really just overall a great staple color that out of all the colors, you definitely need Crocus, because it's going to be one of those colors that you gravitate towards, because it's just like the right shade of purple. Not too dark, not too light. It is perfect, and I love it so much. So you may have seen a sneak peek of this mani already on my Instagram page or over at the Krival Nails Facebook group. So each month the ambassadors do a group mani, and this month we did it a little bit differently. We split up in groups, and I was paired with Cindy. She's also known as Dippy Dip Nails on Instagram, and I will go ahead and link her Instagram information in the description box below, just in case you are looking for more Krival Nails inspiration. She is going to be your go-to for that. She does a lot of Krival manis as well. And then I will also go ahead and link the Facebook group in the description box below, so you can also see even more Krival inspiration, and you will be able to see sneak peeks of colors. There's also a really fun Easter mystery bag right now. It's super adorable, so definitely check that out. So let's get into this mani process. And since we chatted so much, I will not be popping back in at the end. I will let you enjoy this mani process, but I really do love how this mani turned out. I think these colors are perfect for spring or even like summer. These colors with that vibrant purple are totally giving me summer vibes as well. It's just overall just beautiful colors, and they complement each other so well. So I hope you are enjoying this video, and I'll see you in tomorrow's upload.
Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby, I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undenying, undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble lack and everlasting ego. I guess it never hit you, our conversation takes two, paying it some interest from time to time. Inside all that greatness and all of your adventures, you're all alone. Hold up, baby, I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different.